guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel with me, Monique. For today's video, I'm going to talk about why I don't play the Hermès game. So if you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would like to take the time and subscribe to my channel. I upload videos weekly about style, mindful shopping, travel, and everything in between. If you're familiar with Hermès, you know the term the Hermès game. It's basically a term that people refer to when they talk about the game that they play in order to get the Birkin and the Kelly, the most sought after bags. Everyone wants them, and it's not that you can just go into the Hermès boutique and ask for a Birkin or a Kelly and you could get the bag easily. I mean, it's not impossible because it does happen, especially in Europe. I got mine without any purchase history in Belgium, and so it does happen, but most of the time it does not, especially for countries outside Europe. I'm just going to talk about why I do not want to participate in the game in order to get a bag. First and foremost, the main reason why I do not play the Hermès game is that, of course, I don't even live in a continent where you can find an Hermès boutique. Therefore, it is actually impossible for me. I cannot be loyal to one particular store because I don't have an Hermès boutique in the country that I live in. So I tend to shop at Hermès when I'm traveling, and when I'm traveling it could be in different countries, so it will be very challenging for me to just stay loyal to one SA or to one country. Number two, it is kind of like common knowledge that in order to get a bigger chance to get a Birkin or a Kelly, you should have a purchase history. You should purchase things from the boutique that are not bags, let's say they're ready to wear, home accessories, watches, jewelry, scarves, or everything else that is outside the bag department. Me personally, I don't want to have to buy things that I don't need in order to have enough quote-unquote a quota to be offered a Birkin or a Kelly bag. I love Hermès. I think Hermès is definitely at the top of their game. They're definitely the best in terms of craftsmanship. You definitely get what you paid for in terms of the quality of the product, of course. And there are many things from Hermès that I do want to buy, but I don't want to be pressured in buying things so that I could get offered a Birkin or a Kelly. I want to buy what I like, I want to buy what I love, and at my own pace without having to worry that I have to spend more so that I can get offered a bag. Number three, why I don't play the Hermès game is that because there is no foolproof formula. It all depends on the boutique that you are shopping at, which country, and the SA. It depends on the relationship with you and your SA, because every SA is different. And of course, being an SA, it is their job to be very nice and very friendly to you. They're nice and friendly to all of their clients, for sure. I don't want to obsess over, having to have a wonderful relationship with my SA, having to look for the perfect SA in order for me to get a Birkin or a Kelly. It can be so stressful. I've watched so many videos of people being so stressed out about it, and it's just something that I don't want in my life. Of course, I want to be offered a Birkin or a Kelly, but I don't want to be stressed about thinking about, oh, why is that person offered a bag and I am not, Again, there is no foolproof formula. You could be spending a huge amount of money, but you might not even be offered, and you have to wait longer than people who spend less than you. There is no foolproof formula. It all depends on the stock on that day. It all depends if the SA wants to give you, and of course the SA has to ask the store manager to approve the purchase. There's so many factors that I just don't want to stress over it. If I go to an Hermès store in a particular country, I will try to ask depending on the situation. And if they give me, that's amazing. If they don't, of course it's disappointing, but there's nothing that I could do, and it's best not to stress too much about it. Number four, I don't want to play the game where I have to buy all of these things in order to be offered a bag, because what if after I've done all of that and then I get offered a bag that is not really on top of my wish list, you know? What if they offer me like a yellow bag in a spec that I don't want? What if they offer me like a Birkin 35, which I find the size is a little bit too big? What if they offer me like a Kelly in the size that I want, 25, but in the color lime, or you know, something that is really bright and I don't want, because I would rather have Hermès bags that are in neutral color. Even if you play the game, there's no guarantee that you will get exactly what you want on your wish list. So what are you going to do then? Are you going to accept it even though it's not the bag of your dream? Or are you going to decline and start their journey again from scratch? So those are the reasons why I don't want to play the Hermès game. Now let's talk a little bit about my wish list in terms of Hermès bag. Since I got my Atan in 2018, which I love, it is a great neutral, but still I do want something in black because that is the top of my wish list. It will be a dream if I could get the Kelly in Cellier in box leather in the size 25 or 28 in the color black. Preferably in gold hardware, but I wouldn't say no to palladium hardware. That would be my dream bag. If I get something in black in the future, that would probably finalize my Hermès bag journey. One Birkin, one Kelly, I would be done. I would be done and I would be happy. Let me know in the comment section down below, what is your dream bag from Hermès, if you have any. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like if you like this video and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.